right, testing the pocket. We're in London right now.
Onto Shepherd's Bush Green, A402. Then your destination will be on the left.
Home Social is still here.
Slates me for doing Starbucks, but I'm like, look, it's consistent. Slates me for doing Starbucks, but I'm like, look, it's consistent.
It's true. I agree. You know what you're gonna get.
Pretty seriously.
Yeah, I just
Would feed. I mean, his eyes fucking yeah, first.
We can't see ourselves. Hold on. Yeah, it's us. We're in Carnaby Street. I'm being embarrassing and filming on this camera, which now I'm gonna have to return because I see how embarrassing it is.
The market's working is almost completely in its inconvenience. You know, like it's so. I could buy a better car that would last me longer.
Over here, I guess.
and we'll get it sorted. That's 61016. See it, say it, sort it.